eServiceDesk is a popular help desk software, but before you make a purchase, there are 12 important things you should know. We'll compare it to other options on the market so you can make the most informed decision. First thing, eServiceDesk offers a robust ticket management system, which is key for any help desk solution. You can categorize, prioritize, and track tickets easily, just like with other competitors such as Freshdesk or Zendesk. However, eServiceDesk has a more intuitive interface for managing tickets, which is a plus for smaller teams or businesses looking for simplicity without sacrificing functionality. Next thing, eServiceDesk supports multi-channel communication, meaning you can manage emails, live chats, and calls from one platform. This is standard for most help desk tools, but eServiceDesk does it with a straightforward, no-frills design, allowing teams to quickly respond to customers through their preferred channels. In comparison, some competitors like Zendesk might have more advanced features, but that can also make their platform feel bloated. The third thing is eServiceDesk's integration capabilities. It connects well with popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and CRMs, which is vital for seamless workflow. While many other tools, including Freshdesk, offer similar integrations, eServiceDesk provides an easy setup and user-friendly configuration, especially for businesses with limited tech experience. The fourth thing, reporting and analytics. eServiceDesk offers solid reporting tools, letting you track agent performance, ticket resolution times, and customer satisfaction. However, if you're looking for deep dive analytics or custom reports, competitors like Zendesk may give you more detailed options. Next thing, automation. eServiceDesk has automation features that allow you to set up ticket assignments, escalate issues, and send follow-up emails automatically. This can save time and reduce human error. It's fairly comparable to Freshdesk's automation features, but eServiceDesk's simplicity could be more appealing to smaller businesses that don't want to spend time on complicated setups. The sixth thing is customization. eServiceDesk allows you to customize ticket forms, workflows, and even the user interface. While the customization isn't as extensive as competitors like Zendesk, it's enough to adapt to most business needs without overwhelming the user. Next, eServiceDesk supports a knowledge base, helping customers solve their own problems before reaching out to support. It's an important feature that's pretty standard across the industry. However, eServiceDesk's knowledge base is more simplified, making it quicker to set up compared to more advanced options like Zendesk's knowledge management system. The eighth thing is its pricing. eServiceDesk offers competitive pricing for what it provides, with affordable plans that make it accessible for small to mid-sized businesses. Compared to pricier options like Zendesk or Freshdesk, eServiceDesk is an attractive choice for businesses trying to keep costs down. Next thing, mobile support. eServiceDesk offers a mobile app that lets your team manage tickets and respond to customer queries on the go. While not as feature-rich as the mobile apps from competitors like Freshdesk, it gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. The 10th thing, customer support. eServiceDesk offers 24/7 support, which is a big plus if your business operates outside regular office hours. Although their customer support is generally reliable, it doesn't match the extensive help options and self-service resources that come with competitors like Zendesk. The 11th thing is security. eServiceDesk follows industry-standard security protocols, including data encryption and role-based access control, which keeps your customer and business data safe. While this is on par with other tools, some competitors might offer extra layers of security, especially for large enterprises. Finally, the last thing to consider is eServiceDesk's scalability. It's an option that can grow with your business, though it might not offer the same level of customization and complexity as larger platforms. If you're a rapidly growing business, you may find some limitations when compared to more robust solutions like Zendesk. So, is eServiceDesk a good option? Yes, it offers a simple, cost-effective help desk solution with all the essential features needed to support customers and manage teams. However, if you're looking for a more robust platform with advanced features, I'd recommend checking out our top-rated solution that you can try for free.